In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to the video description of a YouTube video and also how to get to the comments. So I am on one of my videos here, and there is a little gray arrow to the right of the video title. So if you click on that gray arrow, it will hide and show the description. So right now it's hidden, so all you see is other recommended videos down here. If you go down all the way to the bottom, you see where you can put in comments, and when you go all the way to the top, you have that little gray arrow to the right of the description. You just click on that gray arrow, and that pulls open the full description of the entire video, which has all of the links. So this is in this particular video, these are the products that you need, and all the links to the SmartThings IDE, the GitHub SmartThings device handlers, and also we have at the bottom our latest videos, popular videos, and the steps to building the ultimate smart home down here as well. This is on a phone, but it is pretty similar on a computer. So all you have to do is look for that little gray arrow at the top, and that is how you toggle the description and get to all of the links.